everyone, and welcome back to Hello High for another great cannabis recipe. You guys know how I love strawberries. So today I'm showing you how to make my cannabis infused strawberry shortcake ice cream, and this recipe will be quick and easy, and we're using canna sugar and canna heavy whipping cream. And this recipe will take you less than 15 minutes off the camera. So let's get started. For this recipe, you'll need condensed milk, Oreo cookies, bourbon, vanilla extract, strawberries, canna sugar, and canna heavy whipping cream. Start by washing and cutting the stems on 2 cups of whole strawberries. Then start cutting the strawberries into small chunks like this until you cut around 1 cup. Now these strawberries will be throughout the ice cream, so you don't want to leave them big because when they freeze, they're hard to get out of the container. Then cut the remaining strawberries in half, and I'm using these strawberries to puree in my NutriBullet, so make sure you have a blender or food processor on hand. And when you're done, you should have a cup of diced strawberries and 1 cup of whole strawberries, and then set them aside.